There's really no problem in replacing an existing light fixture with a ceiling fan in terms of the electrical needs, but what you really have to be careful of is to make sure the electrical box that the light fixture is attached to will support the extra weight of the ceiling fan. So normally you have to do a little extra support by using either a 2x4 or 2x6 in the attic, nail it between the two ceiling joists, and then run a bolt or a screw up through the electrical box to support the fan. Another way you can do it is with a lot of the little kits they have out there that's basically a ceiling fan brace kit that's all metal and it has the electrical box built right in. Again, that just nails right between the two ceiling joists. It's so important to support the ceiling fan, not only for safety, but also if it's not supported well, the fan's just not going to run smoothly.